Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this cute little girl's hair. Her name is Mia. She's 7.5 months old. I'm just going to be doing a very simple yet cute hairstyle on her. So I'm just going to part the hair as you can see, and then I will hold it with elastic hairband.
Pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing on her whole hair.
I'm trying to be as gentle as possible because at this age, her scalp is pretty much tender, and so I want to make this experience almost painless for her. And one thing, guys, I'll be doing little or no editing on this video because I really want us all to enjoy our first hairdo video together.
Mama.
I held this one too tight, so I'm just going to pull it back a little bit. You all, I think Mia is doing a great job. Considering kids at this age, how distracted they are, Mia is actually doing great. I guess she really loves seeing herself in the camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. Actually, it took me about 6 minutes to do this hair, and I think it's cute. If you feel like you love this video, please give it thumbs up, and please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, and do not forget to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the